Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Huawei Mate 20 Pro, and let me share with you how to change the 3 buttons navigation into the gestures in this device. So all we have to do is to enter the settings. Let's tap on them. Here scroll down to the very bottom and find system and updates. And on the second position we've got the system navigation. As you can see, I've got the gestures, but let's pretend I've got 3 key navigation. Before we will set the gestures, I'd like to show you that here you've got the settings which are connected with the keys, and here you can customize them. So for example, reorder the back button and the recents, and show an additional icon. So that's quite nice option to consider. Here you can also set the navigation dock. It's up to you whether you want to use it or not. Let's focus on the gestures. Simply tap on this first option right here, and your device will ask you whether you want to go through the tutorial. You can do it, of course. I don't want to do it. I will also explain you how to use the gestures. You can see that immediately, instead of the 3 buttons, we've got actually we do not have nothing, and now we can use the gestures. We can also enter the settings to customize them. Here you can slide across bottom to switch apps, Google Assistant, and you can try out the gestures. Here we've got also the demos of how they work. So if you want to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, swipe your finger from the side to the center until as you will see this arrow, and then release the finger. You have to do it fastly, because if not, if you will elongate this gesture, your device will open this additional tab with the apps. So let's do it quickly, just like that. And as you can see, we just got back the same situation from the right side. If you want to get back directly to the home page, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device, and make sure that this motion will be quick and short, just like that. And if you want to open the recents, repeat the gesture, so from the bottom to the center. However, hold your finger somewhere here, just like that. And here we've got the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.